HJC Carbon RPHA 70 RPHA 70. It's made of carbon, as you can see here, and then this is pearl white. Pearl white. R for Rafi. Boom, of course. The main reason why I bought this is for that. Shares my name. Okay. RPHA 70 has a visor, locks here, double visor. Inside is this. Look inside, it's very plush, super plush. Super plush inside. Wow. These are removable for emergency. Got its built-in flap for the chin strap, chin flap to seal it. See that? Chin strap, chin flap. Provision for smart HJC, but I've already connected here my Cardo packed up bow RPHA 70 carbon. So it's really made of carbon. This one is an extra large. I have a 61 centimeter head. It weighs 1400 grams. It is a helmet with apparently good ventilation. It's got ventilation here. Intake, open and close there. This one opens and closes here inside. Open, close. It's inside. And the other intake is here on top. This one. Also this one. So you can control the in and out here. Close, open. And it flows out through here also. Here also. You can see here that the weight of an extra large carbon helmet is 1400 grams. This is ECE 22 R22.05 rated. As you can see, an extra large will fit anywhere from 60 to 61 centimeters. My head is 61. It has the local ICC badge, which means it conforms to local regulations. Here it is. Double D-ring. Very nice. This is gold. double D-ring, very nice construction. It has some sort of a angular MIPS thing here, sort of. I'm sure they call it their own proprietary thing, but this enables you to suspend inside the helmet if it gets whacked from an angle. Emergency pullouts. This is the control for the second visor. This is the all carbon Reple colorway. This is a luminous orange pink. This is pearl white, and this is carbon. It comes with Pinlock, which is already installed here. I had already installed the Pinlock yesterday, together with the Cardo pack top bolt attachment. So now we're gonna take this out. Ooh. Boom. We're gonna wear it. Here we go. Okay. Am I in frame? Okay, so we're gonna wear it now. I'm 61 centimeters. I'm gonna wear it. There it is. I'm inside. Very good visibility from left to right. Cable here feels very secure. Everything feels very snug. Feels very good. Right now it already has the Cardo pack top bolt installed here. Gonna take the Cardo pack top bolt from old one, install it here. It's very clear inside, very nice. there's a click here. Click. That's it.